In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive on a different computer using our complete guide for 2025. Whether you're at a friend's house, using a computer at work, or just trying to get to your files from another device, I'm here to show you how you can do that seamlessly and securely. To start off, you'll need to open a web browser on the computer you're using. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once you've got the browser up and running, head over to the address bar at the top. Here you'll need to type in the following URL, https://onedrivelive.com. Hit enter on your keyboard and this will take you directly to the OneDrive homepage. Now once you're on the OneDrive site, you'll see an option to sign in. Here's where you enter your Microsoft account credentials. This will be the email address and password that are linked to your OneDrive account. It's crucial to ensure that you're entering these details accurately to avoid any frustration of being locked out. If you've set up any extra security measures like two-step verification, make sure you follow those steps too. That's an important layer of protection for keeping your files safe. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be greeted by your OneDrive interface. This is where all your files and folders are neatly stored, just like you'd left them. This method works wonderfully as it allows access to your files from any device with internet connectivity. However, keep in mind that while this approach provides great convenience, it does have its limitations. One of the pros is straightforward. You can retrieve your documents and media from virtually anywhere in the world. However, the downside is that offline access is limited, so if you're planning to work without an internet connection, this might not be the best option. Additionally, for those working with extremely large files, you might notice that the performance can be a bit sluggish, but for everyday tasks and smaller documents, this won't really be an issue. So, there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide on accessing OneDrive from a different computer. Keep in mind the pros and cons, and choose the option that suits your needs best. I hope this has made your experience with OneDrive more accessible and efficient. Remember, the simplicity of accessing cloud storage tools like OneDrive is what makes them such a valuable resource in our digital age. Thanks for watching and happy exploring on OneDrive.